Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So market continues the downtrend. A very weak price action again on Friday as we saw another huge sell-off and we basically are heading to 2021 December high levels right here, which is also 382 retracement levels if we measure it from the October 2022 or December 2022 lows. So basically, market is trying to find some kind of support, but no luck as of today. So yeah, this is the daily chart. You can see we are below 200 EMA, and we rejected recently the 21 EMA and made a new low. Yeah, at least I think the most probable uh, potentially probable bounce zone is here, 382 level, which is also December 2021 highs. So yes, pretty much continuation for the bears. So let's see the 4-hour chart. We can see here that we basically hit the 382 level from the origin of the move right here and continued the downtrend. We broke these lows, and while we are speaking, by the way, the market is doing another gap down, and yes, very weak price action. And let's see what this weekend, what this week will bring us as we are hitting to these uh, huge support levels previously. So before moving forward to our 1-hour chart, let's have a look on the calendar for this week. So yeah, pretty much again a busy week. So everything starts on Tuesday. The major events on Tuesday: ISM and Jolt numbers. Then on Wednesday, the ADP numbers, the employment change, and on Thursday, ISM numbers, unemployment claims, and the final and the most important thing is the unemployment rate. After unemployment rate, Fed chair will speak. Powell speaks after that. So again, I think the main event is unemployment rate. The consensus is 4.1%, which can be considered no panic. I mean, it can be considered as no panic, but you can see that it's kind of consolidating, and anytime I'm expecting it to have a little spike, considering all these layoffs in the government and in the private sector as well. All right. So yeah, let's have a look. Let's wait and see what will bring us this week. And while we will move to uh, the lower time frame charts. So we saw this actually was the bear flag we talked about. So this bear flag hit 382 level and continued the downtrend. Yeah, I don't expect anything good for the bulls until we hit around this 18600 levels. Which can be some support. So nothing positive for the bulls as of today. Well, let's have a look on the volatility chart right now. So on a 4-hour chart, we can see that this major downtrend just literally was broken, and we are currently sitting at 382 retracement levels from the top. That 30 level top we predicted together that it can be the top. So yes, what we can see here, we can expect some kind of retracement up to 618, which is also the volume imbalance levels around 24.5, which can be closed before another leg down. But we will see this amount of uncertainty and the panic from the investors. It's been a while. We didn't see anything like this until before the 2018 tariffs, right? So yeah, one on a 1-hour chart, we can see that we are above the 2200 EMA as well. So yeah, I do expect some kind of retracement, potentially up to these 24.5 16.8 levels, but I don't think there is too much of a negativity that we can make a new high until 30, unless some kind of huge event like a war with Iran, or I don't know, something very huge happened. Yeah, so this can be the retracement I was waiting for. So we basically closed the gap from 1807 and half of the gap of 16.5. And yeah, we are basically just having a retracement. So no panic for me. But of course, market is still in a downtrend. So yeah, and VIX is not helping too. Now let's check the market sentiment right now. So we are in extreme fear, and yeah, I don't see anything positive coming out in the nearest future. And one of my favorite indicators is the put call ratio right here. We are hovering around zero point 0.8 levels. Yeah, market is trying to have another, bears are trying to gain another momentum and possibly to take until zero point 0.9 or even 1 levels. Yeah, for sure. Right now, bears are in total control, and we can see that volatility reclaim the 50 EMA as well, 50 moving average as well. Yeah, so volatility is going up, but as I said, it can be just a retracement from this 30 levels. We will make sure we keep our eyes on that too. So on Friday, Powell is having a speech. Make sure you listen him carefully because very interesting things are happening right now in the probability side. So market's starting to see some kind of probability of a rate cut on the next meeting of May 7. So there is a 30%, 13.1% chance we can have a rate cut in the next meeting. So yeah, well, definitely, we need to see what Powell thinks, how he speaks on Friday. That can be an indicator, and of course, another indicator can be the unemployment rate, because the labor market is the next big thing for them, alongside to inflation numbers. Yeah, so make sure you guys have a look on that too. And on the probability side, yeah, uh, there is 74% chance that we can have a rate cut on the next two meetings, at least one rate cut on the next two meetings. So yeah, very interesting to see what will happen on Friday. And on the final part, I would like to have a look on a Bitcoin chart again. So yeah, on a daily chart, we can see that we had another rejection from the bull market support band, um, and we again lost the 200 EMA levels. Yeah, I'm expecting to have at least the final throwdown to 70,000 levels, at least 72 levels here, until we can see some kind of uh, clarification whether this level holds or not. So on the other hand, the Ethereum as the main risk on assets alongside Bitcoin. And of course, all of those altcoins too are waiting to see when the Ethereum starting to bottom out to have some momentum as well. So yeah, we can see here um, very weak price action. So this 2150 MA band never broken. So yeah, this is a complete downtrend, and I'm expecting potentially to have uh, some kind of liquidation event up to these levels, 1500 and even lower as well. So until then, I don't think that Ethereum will have some kind of good buying opportunity. So yeah, Ethereum is completely risk off. Yeah. Uh, so we will see, wait and see when the market bottoms. But I'm very positive on the long term perspective for Ethereum, because I don't think Ethereum had the cycle peak, and I'm expecting it finally to get above even these 4,000 levels. Yeah, and hopefully we can have some gains on that as well. So that's it for today, pretty much, guys. So make sure you subscribe and leave a comment below. I will try to make as much of a content as possible to give my insights and to see what are the most important and valuable stuff for you. Because the main purpose of this channel is to give some value to the day traders, investors, crypto guys, and everyone interested in making money online. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you so much and have a good one. Bye.